winter sports. These are for basketball. These are for students who showed any combination of exceptional talent, performance, hard work, leadership. So, start with the B team boys, chosen by Coach Wong. Yanni. Will. Akash. And Larry. Okay, now for our B team girls, we have Manoush. Tala. Maya. And Nikki. Alright, let's get a round of applause for our B teamers. Okay. Now for our A team boys, chosen by Coach Sakamoto, Justin. Jake. Randy. Try not to move too fast, Randy. Tage. And now for our girls A-Team Awards, chosen by yours truly, Avni. Vivian. Nirali. And Keiko. Round of applause for your A-teamers.
Could I have a drum roll, please? Okay, so we made $3,500 that we're going to donate to Leukemia Lymphoma Society.